So we're doing a church camping trip. So there's a lot of other people from our church that are out here camping in other sites. And last night after we got set up, they had a little bonfire at one of the campsites, and we sang some fun songs.
Campfire songs.
The kids had lots of fun. We made some s'mores after we got done with the singing, and also some
Pudgy pies.
Pudgy pies.
Never heard of a pudgy pie.
I've always seen it's like a little square that you cast iron square that you put the 2 pieces of bread with some pie filling in it.
I just always thought it was for grilled cheese.
Yeah.
Apparently you can do lots of things with it.
Yeah, make pudgy pies with it.
Yeah, we did cherry and
blueberry.
Blueberry. So I've never done it. So if you have any other cool recipes for a pudgy pie, let us know what they are so we can try them.
You want to tell them what we're doing today?
What are we doing today? We're doing a little smoking. We're smoking some ribs at the campsite. We might go on a little hike. We're going to go kayaking maybe on the lake. And then tonight we're singing some worship songs together. It's going to be a really good time.
That's right. Yep.
If you ever have an opportunity to go on a group camping trip, you need to do it because it is so much fun. So much fun.
It's only the first night too.
Yeah.
It's just going to get better.
Yep. We just got done with our hike and we went on Mockernut Trail and it was okay. Yeah, it's okay.
It was through the woods. It wasn't a very used trail, I guess.
Yeah, because you walk through lots of spider webs. I don't care how much you love going outside. I will never be a fan of spiders, so walking through spider webs is not my cup of tea. And no, usually we'll take hikes with the kids and they do awesome. They have a blast. They have so much fun. I mean, we hiked up a mountain not too long ago and they did awesome. We were there for 2 hours. This was about 25 minutes and you know, you have good days and you have bad days with kids, so we have some meltdowns and some issues. We did it and we'll do better next time. but I think there's about 4 trails here at Lake Charles, and we chose that one. And we'll probably choose a different one next time. Just put it that way.
So we're packing up at Lake Charles State Park. We had a great time. It was perfect weather. It was nice and crisp in the mornings and warm for shorts and short sleeves in the daytime. We were here with a whole bunch of people from our church. This is the first time they've done a church camping trip in probably about 20 years, and hopefully this will be annual tradition. So we've had a great time, and we're looking forward to the next one.